So this is how I did my crayons animation scene using 2D and 3D with Adobe Animate and Blender. First I got some ideas by searching on YouTube, and then I found some reference scenes on a site called Sahugoboru. If you are trying to do an animation or mimic a scene, I think this site is very helpful with their references. Then I started sketching my main scenes. I began with simple drawings, and then I added details and colors. I think this turned out pretty clean. There were some struggles with looping these animations, but eventually I managed to finish it smoothly. For the backgrounds I used Blender. From the beginning I needed a city view from behind, so I downloaded some simple buildings and street lamps and managed to create this city. I use Blender because it's a free software and it gives thousands of new assets to work with. It's really good tool if you're looking at 3D animation. I use free HDRI for the environment. After that I brought all the assets into the After Effects for the final compositing. I think compositing is the most important part of animation, and it can completely change the emotion, mood and storytelling of the whole scene. I did some color matching in the animation to blend it with the background, then color corrected some scenes and added some color grading to give it a red tone. So here's the final animation, and I think it came pretty good and I'm really happy about it.